Hi, my name is Quinn Witskin, and I will be doing the problem that asks, determine the value or values of theta that result in a net electric field at the origin that points straight up. So that means the net electric field in the x direction has to equal 0. So what you do is you say, and you're given the distance from the origin, which is this, to here, is r root 2. So what you do is you do the charge of the field, the electric field of this, which is 1 over 4 pi e to the naught times negative q over 2r squared, minus the electric charge, the electric field of this, 1 over 4 pi e to the naught 2q over r squared, because this distance is r, the radius, times cosine theta, because this is pretty much a right triangle right here. So sine of theta would be the up direction. Cosine theta is the x direction right here. Cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. Cosine theta right here. So, and this is on the x-axis. So this has to equal 0. So you put them each to the other side, and like when you put everything on either side, these eventually cancel out. You bring this to the other side, and then what you have is 1 over 2r is equal to negative 2 over r squared. Cosine theta, you know, that can turn into, when you take and bring the r's on one side and the cosine theta on the other side, you get r over 2 equals negative 2 cosine theta. Then you get negative r over 4 equals cosine theta. Therefore, theta is going to be equal to cosine negative 1 of negative r over 4. That equals 104.48 degrees. Cosine of negative r over 4. And r is given. That is how you know that this answer is 104.48. And that means theta, and in the circle that we're given, it's a bad circle, and this is the origin, theta is determined if r is right, if 2q is right here, theta is this right here. So this has to be 104, so that will go all the way over here somewhere, and or it could be negative, or it could be on the negative on the other side, so it could be down here somewhere as well. But actually, it only wants it up, not down, so it's going to be this one. So that is the answer.